Awak senyang ni.
Ya asal tak boleh barang ni.
Ambil ni weh.
Tengok kat belakang aku ada benda.
Oh fuck.
Apa tu? Apa tu?
Do not throw it. Ambil ni weh. Hakim. Berdalam ni.
Aku ada ni. Fahad.
Allahu Akbar.
Ada zombie yang ni kat belakang.
Okey.
Homemade bag apa lawak siut.
Tak boleh nak ambil baju ni ah. Aku sepatutnya jadi orang hitam tau. Tapi tak apalah. Hey, Red Chevron.
Aku cuba gun pelik ni ah. Gun ni pelik siut. Tapi gempak ke gun ni? Ambil AK save AK
Pioscope. Siapa ni?
Angkat.
Aku dapat tadi.
Boleh attach kau punya weapon tu. Tak boleh.
Boleh, view mana boleh pakai tu. Tak boleh.
Oh boleh pakai Mozen
Tak pernah dimasuk akalkan logik. Oh ni.
Tapi tak jauh sangat scope dia.
Skop dia mana jauh.
Ada face kat sini.
Nak jauh pun ambil tu execution.
Hi admin.
Hey.
Admin.
Admin.
Can you give me one blow touch?
Tak payah.
Blue Cedric.
No. Don't give him.
Thank you, my friend. I love you. Now we blow Cedric.
Pistol apa tu? Ush, gempak ah. What pistol is that?
Blow Cedric now.
Blue
Blow.
Oh,
Oh my god. Oh shit.
oh shit. What?
God.
Oh shit, dia bawa menganjing gila. Aduh, admin. Oi, admin nak mati ke? Aduh. Pelik lah pula aku tengok si admin ni.
Weh, SVD aku guna ni ah, ammo ni apa? SVD aku guna ammunition tu. Aduh, balak kena haram.
Malam kan kena harum. Tak
Ya,
adalah.
Telut kat
Tot
sini.
kurap.
Tak ada barang kat sini.
Oh my god, my friend. There's
Jatuh
zombie.
ni kan, kenapa? Weak dok. Tak tak mati. Tak
Hati-hati tau.
mati kot.
Hati-hati. Takut ada orang sini. Kadang-kadang dia selalu pergi sini. Tengok tau, belakang pintu semua tu tau. Itu Hakim kena bunuh. Dia tak nampak orang kat belakang pintu tu.
Dia guna macam poison mod tu kan.
Aku dengan dia mati sekali. Hans ni. Kaki pen. Scofield clip. Abraham. Tapi susah nak dapat Smozin. Apa ni?
Mana benda tu?
Ush, apa ni? Oh, carbiner. Carbiner, clip. Clap.
Apa?
Yang gigi
Ah.
darah tu kan, Anif.
Ha.
Yang pakai baju warna kuning tu. Arif.
Tadi kena patah gigi yang tu.
Scofield ni bagus, Scofield.
Agak one headshot. Asal kau bunuh diri bodoh?
Kau yang balik bom aku.
Kau yang pegang bom.
Tak, kau balik bom tu kat aku.
Tak, kau yang pegang bom.
Yelah aku pegang bom tapi kau balik kat aku.
Tak, aku tak balik.
Habis kau balik bom kat aku.
Kau yang pegang bom tadi. Aku nampak
Aku
ke tangan
pegang
kau.
bom. Lepas tu aku nak balik kat kau. Lepas tu macam ni.
Kau yang baling bom.
Are you there, my friend? My friend gone. Stuff. My friend, where the fuck are you, my friend? My friend? Or there you are, my friend. For your name? Or Super, nice to meet you again, Super. Do you want to follow me? Take my stuff? Because I just died because of the zombie. The zombie kill me and eat me brain. Oh my god, my friend, thank you, my friend. Thank you. Really thank you, my friend. So, do you want to follow me, friend? Oh my god, my friend. Thank you again, my friend.
What the hell?
Are you talking, my friend? I can hear you very well. For some reason. Talk louder. You're talking? I don't know. I can hear you, my friend. You want to come with me? Come. Actually, we have to find a car first, so we can get to first star. We must climb the highest mountain of the High Rosga. After that, we can go to the Putang Inamo.
Macam gila. Tempat apa tu? Oi, Hakim lari daripada pension tu. Sekejap lagi siapa nak ambil barang kita? Aduh, dia tak jaga barang lah, bitch.
Check for an enemy. There might be enemy in the tree. Actually, who are you?
Ni pergi ikut.
Can you chat, my friend? Don't talk, just chat, my friend. Can you chat? Chat using, the chat thingy people use in the 2050, the chat. You don't know the chat? Don't worry, my friend. Friend, why you so slow? Come on, you carry that bag, so many kind of stuff. That's why you so slow, I guess.
Bodoh gila ayat kau.
Don't worry, my friend. Just follow me. It's near the 2 building of Kabum Kabum. Okay, where's the road? There's no any road. Oh my god, my friend, we lost. Actually, that map. Wait here, I wanna check the map.
Oh my god.
We so near, my friend. We so near. Just straight up there, there's a town called Putangina. After that, we will take me stuff and me friend stuff. You know the Chititro and the other guy with the gold thingy name. After that, we can go there. Oh my god, a car. How convenient, my friend. Oh my god, a car with fuel, my friend. Come. Yeah. Orpi item are gone.
Sebelah sana lah, rumah sana.
Yeah, not this house, my friend. Not this house.
Alright.
Come, my friend. This house. Maybe I die in here.
Oh no.
Buruk kat sini barangku.
Ish, oi mana barang?
Oh my god, my friend. My item are gone.
Boleh pun lah aku punya reaction.
My friend, my item are gone, my friend. Help me, my friend.
Siapa?
Aku rasa ada orang datang sini lah weh.
Kawan. Siapa nama dia?
Start back.
Nama.
My friend, are you there, my friend?
Oh fuck.
Asal.
Barang akan hilang sikit-sikit.
Dia di spawn kan?
Alamak. Barang hilang sikit-sikit ah, dia di spawn.
Tapi barang aku di spawn terus semua.
Lagi Viber. Jom ah.
But friend, all our stuff are despawning. A very sad day for both of us. Actually, let's go to another feast. At people, come. You come with me. They go with other two because they gay, you know. Okay, come with me. We go han.
Cakap kat dia. Sodok bukit tau. Kita 2 orang bait.
Okay. Yeah, we go both scope. Me friend, the other two me friend go down there and get the loot for us. Okay, we gonna scope here. Actually, we found a good spot. Yeah. Okay, we scope here. Okay, now we go scope under the tree.
Bagus, dapat bag.
Hey, that's time.
Nope.
I'm here, me friend. I'm here. Here. You don't see me? I'm punching the car.
Panci dekat.
Okay. We will watch them from this highest peak. You might not see well because of the tree, you know. But you can see very well if player are coming.
Oh, fuck. Pistol apa tu? Uish.
So can you stay here and scope? I'm gonna help them with my
Oh.
gun you just give me, okay?
Fish bapak gila. Oh.
Actually the fish already done. Wanna come? Come. Actually careful by the way, because there might be
God, Pro 90.
a random people using at you using his penis coming. Oh my god, we got car. A go-kart. Oh my god, a Lamborghini.
Ush,
Careful
bapak.
me plan. He just go into the Muntan. Oh my god, let's run before they scope us.
Uish,
Hey Hakimia. Let's go, me friend. Come, me friend. Don't go look. Don't look behind. Just go. Agak.
Take out dia punya.
Weh, nyuruh.
Me friend. Hide me friend. Hide.
Asal kita tak nyuruh?
Dani, sini. Dani.
Tadi dia tak nampak ke Lamborghini?
Tu kan.
Weh, kau janganlah main rush je.
Ada tu ah.
Aku bukan nak rush. Dani.
Ah.
Ni. Oi.
Ah.
Kak. Ni.
Tak nak aku ada weapon dah. Oh my god, my friend. You are here. Pistol apa ni? Oh my god, what pistol is this? Oh my god, is good. Dia pakai Ranger magazine ke?
Okay. Oh my god. Someone died. Oh my god, my friend. Someone died, my friend. Oh my god, I just died. Dia tembak kat mana tu? Tak nampak?
Asal dia tak mati? Kawan kau tak mati ah?
Tak, dia orang kat mana? Tak nampak dia orang.
Dapat seorang. Apa? Jap.
Tak maghrib kan?
Jap. Aku memang tak tahu kat mana dia. Yes! Dua orang mati!
Kau tengok mana cerita
Oh fuck, aku dapat dua orang. Dua orang mati. Dua sekali daripada dua orang mati dah.
Kau dia cuma salahkan aku. Dah tahu enemy ada buat kat luar.
Tapi best lah. Memang dapat enjoy gila tadi.
Surprise,
Enemy tak
motherfucker.
nampak apa. What? Oh my god, aku tak tahu ada tiga orang situ. Oh fuck, mati.
Kat mana? Macam mana?
Kat dalam police station.